Mutongoi wa chama cha DCP Rigathi Gachagua ni wakania Nzama Unyuvani na Mivaka ya Iebc Yiulu Kulikiilwa ne Silikali Isesoni ya Kutwaiisya usakwani Munene Ukite Vala Waumbula Kana, Vena, Muvango wa Nzama Kutthooa Tumasini twa Kutwaiisya Unyuvani Kuma Kambunini wa Miru Kuma Nthi ya South Korea inena na ndikimamo wombe wa kwambia chalo chake cha ndambuka kuma Nthi ya Amerika. Gachagua weta kana iseso ya Kutthooa Tumasini tu niyekitwe ni Silikali kieleloni cha kuye Kula balandero siake sia kwa tomboni Mutongoi wa chama cha People's Party of Kenya dindi nyoro mwaka
Mutongoi huu wa DCP nengane livoti yake kwa ndikimamo vombe wa chalo chake cha Nthi ya Amerika ni waweta kana Nzama Unyuvani na Mivaka vandi ya Kenya Iebc niende na usukumi wa muno Kutthooa masini sia Kutwaiisya Unyuvani Kuma Kambunini wa Miru systems ulawindi ya South Korea iweta kana ino ni mivango ya Silikali kuya kura Unyuvanini Munene Ukite.
Tender reference number IBC/OIT/01/2026-2027 for the supply, delivery, installation, testing, commissioning, support and maintenance of the integrated elections management system, hardware, equipment and accessories was advertised and is to close on September 1st, 2026 at 10 a.m. You are all aware that Kenyans do not know is that the tender process and the result has already been preconceived and is awaiting rubber stamping to Miru, M-I-R-U, Systems Company Limited of South Korea.
Gachagua weta kana kambuni withitwe wine wa kandalasi cia gusovya mitandao ya Unyuvani nindi kivathukanyo indi vaivandu masini sio cia thukumana umelu.
Republic of Congo in 2023, election observers reported that up to 45% of polling stations experienced equipment malfunctions, and this potentially excluded 17 million Congolese from voting. The attempt to bring this technology from South Korea that has failed everywhere, and specifications are tailor-made. And I've been told that the technology will cost 6.5 billion, up from the 4 billion the current system is charging, creating a 2.5 billion bribe to the Iebc commissioners and their cronies. Kenyans must resist.
Kavindane ka Mutongoi wa chama cha People's Party of Kenya ndini nyoro na Niwaumya Ukanio vyu kwanza maino ya Iebc kana Kenya mayumbanitie kwa wakura Unyuvanini usu Ukite.
Iebc ni vizuri wajue we have now less than 1 year to the next year general elections, and Kenyans expect nothing less than a credible, fair, transparent elections. And we also want to request Iebc, as you do whatever you are doing, and especially procurement of election materials, ni vizuri wajue wa Kenya wako macho. They must not have any friendship or any association with any procurement entity, with any company supplying any technology within the Iebc that is associated with business partners of the leaders of this regime.
Nyoro ni wakulia Nzama ino kutangasa kandalasi ya Kutthooa masini cia Unyuvani ite kuvithania kindu kila kiutethesya umilu Isesoni ya kuyumbanisya Unyuvanini ula wende na kwambatia ivyo vanthi ya Kenya.
And they should know that we know their friends, and we know the people they may purport to use. Anything, and especially the software ya kumanage elections, tunawauliza watagaze kwa soko la ulimwengu, watagaze internationally, so that we have credible companies ambayo itakuwa inashirikiana na Iebc kwa mambo ya offering technology ile inasaidia kwa elections.
Ndilivotia vilingi wa movo nitawa mwaka mweu.